Place a cloth on the radiator and turn on the hairdryer. Everyone laughed at me when I did this. Now they're doing it too. Throughout the year, a huge amount of dust settles inside the radiator. You don't need to take it apart to clean it. Cleaning radiators for winter can be a quick and easy task. All you need is a small bowl. Fill it with warm water, then take a regular microfiber cloth, dip it into the bowl, and wring out the excess water. Place it on the radiator. Now you need a standard hairdryer. Set it to the warmest and strongest mode. Put it under the radiator and direct the airflow upwards. Hold it for a few seconds. The dirt and dust will come out on top and stick to the cloth. Look at how much there was in my radiator. You won't believe how much cleaner your home will feel after trying this simple method. Use this trick on every radiator in your home, and you'll get rid of dust mites. Your radiators will work more efficiently, and the air in your home will be cleaner.